Hi, my name is Rick Smith. I'm the founder and CEO of Vernactus Technology. I'm also glad to say I'm a partner at MSP Unplugged and TechCon Unplugged. Now, TechCon Unplugged 2023 is our fourth annual gathering of techs, vendors in the space, and business owners. One of the greatest things I think about TechCon is the approach is a 50-50 approach. We have vendors in the space who talk to us about their products and how to help solve some issues, but we also have MSPs just like you and I. We try to cover a wide range of topics to help you run your MSP. We talk about insurance, we talk about legal aspects, we talk about, of course, how to build and maintain your business with things such as onboarding, such as processes that you may need behind the scenes, documentation. All of those things are great learnings, and we get those learnings not only from vendors in the space, but we get them from people like you and me, from MSPs who are doing it, who have practiced this. Some of them as teachings they've learned from previous TechCon events, and they've mastered it and brought it back and showing us how it's worked. So it's a great event. I love the idea that I get to share, talk, and have a drink with people that I can now call friends. TechCon Unplugged is September 7th to the 10th at the Delta Hotel in Woodbridge, New Jersey. We look forward to seeing you there.